I drive an MFFR. We are here to change the spark plugs today because our check engine light came on for the very first time and I am running code. P0302 says that my number 2 spark plug is misfiring. We do got some sputtering, and today I am going to show you how to change your spark plugs. Let's go. All right, so I ran out of light today. Bear with me when it comes to some of the lighting. The lighting, even is when you have daylight, is kind of shitty and getting some of the spots. But today you will need a 5/8 wrench. You will need an extender, and of course the socket wrench itself. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means I have a V6 MFFR. This is the ignition coil box. You do want to make sure that you are wiring your cables to the right spark plug, because that is how that creates a firing, right? This is what's helping it fire, and this is where your spark plugs are located. So it's connected right on the end of these. As you can see, they are all connected. I can personally already see them. I already know what I'm looking for, but I'm gonna get the phone in here and I will show you. Just follow the wire, and now this is my number 1 spot. My hands are a little dirty already because I have already replaced this one. My number 2 is what's misfiring. It's this one right here. As you can see, they do have like insulated caps that do go on top of them. I do got to take this one out. My first one was not super lovely. I am not super excited. And then here is also my number 3. Let's see if we can get that. That is also my 3rd one. With these, they are really easy. You just got to be sure that you are connecting it back, because you don't want to create misfires. Your engine does run, with my MFFR, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But at times you depending on your vehicle, you can get a 1, 3, a 2, a 5, a 4, and a 6. So just be sure that you are looking up on how that does fire. We are going to pull out this second one. I do have the old one. It is right here. As you guys can see, we do have this. I will show you the new ones. They do already come pre-gapped. And let me work on that second one. I'll be right back. All right, so that was kind of a bitch, but we got it out. And I'm like excited just to get this done. Okay, as you can see, I am really putting some elbow grease in this. I have to sit on top of my truck because I don't have